Hello everyone. Today we are going to take up debate writing. This is quite an interesting piece of writing wherein the individual has to take a stand whether for or against. So, the views to be expressed should either be for or against the motion and not a mixed response. It should not be ambivalent. Many of the students lose the marks because they write all the points of for and against and mix it in one debate. That is not to be done. Rather, it should be one stand. So, you should be clear in your stand whether you are for or against the motion. Rather, one stand has to be taken. So, and there is no title which is required in debate writing. So, how to start a debate? Let's first discuss the format. Format, the first thing to open the debate, you can open the debate with a quotation. It is not hard and fast thing to open a debate with a quotation. You can start straight away with a formal address and then introducing in the first paragraph itself after the greetings. You should clarify your stand whether you are for or against the topic. In the second paragraph, you will be writing arguments against or for the motion. And in the last paragraph, you will be concluding and strongly speaking for your stand and ultimately would thank everybody. So, I am covering this debate writing for class 12 Cbse. So, the format contains 1 marks and content of course are 5 marks. So, at least 4 value points should be included in your debate. And expression carries 4 marks. And what is expression? 2 marks for grammatical accuracy, appropriate words used, spellings, vocabulary used, okay, and 2 marks for coherence and relevance of ideas and style. Coherence means there should not be snapping of ideas, abrupt one, rather it should go smoothly. So, let's take up a question and you will understand better while we are doing a question how to go about writing a debate. So, the question goes like this: write a debate either for or against the motion, admission to top notch institutes guarantees a successful career. You are Akriti or Akash. Now, it's clearly evident from the question that you have to take one stand, either for or against. It should not be ambivalent. And you have to use your name as Akriti or Akash. So, let's begin writing the debate. I have started with a quotation. It's not important, it's not necessary, it's not hard and fast to start with a quotation, but of course you can start. It gives an edge and a psychological advantage to a person who starts with a quotation. So, because the question relates to admission to top-notch institutes guarantees a successful career, first we have to take up related to what is success and how success is achieved. And the quotation will be picked up according to your stand. Now, I am against the stand, that is, I don't believe that admission to top-notch institute guarantees a successful career. That is why I have picked a quotation which is in line with my stand. After the quotation, you will start with greeting the audience and clarifying your stand. That is, whether you are for or against the motion. And please underline whether you're for or against the motion, like I have done. Then the second paragraph can start with a thought-provoking question. And these phrases, like at the very outset, I would like to pose a question or raise a question, and then your question. And please underline your question with a pencil, like I have done. Is it right to narrow down the factors of success to just one thing of getting admission in top-notch institute? Then you have to take up your value points and justify your stand. And please use these phrases like I strongly believe or I vehemently believe. And the first value point, like I have done, one's hard work, which is imperative. This is my first value point, and I have justified with an example of Saina Nehwal, how her hard work and discipline led to her success. Second point I have taken is passion, and I've given an example of Steve Jobs. These examples of real person will substantiate your view. Then I have taken up individual capabilities as the value point, and of course the determination and never say die in the subsequent paragraph. You can condense all these points in one paragraph, or you can write it in different paragraph. It's solely your wish. So you can rather devote 2 paragraphs to the content. At least 4 value points are to be written. And at the end, you can use the phrase to conclude, or last but not the least, I would firmly put forth or firmly say, and you have to justify your point of view, your stand, and end with a thank you.